Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs and chorizo, easy method. Heat a skillet over medium heat and brown crumbled chorizo until edges crisp. Drain excess oil, leaving a tablespoon for flavor. Crack eggs directly into the skillet or scramble, then gently fold them into the chorizo. Cook to your preferred doneness, season with salt and pepper, and finish with chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Start by gathering simple ingredients: chorizo, eggs, onion, garlic, oil, salt, pepper, cilantro, and lime. Dice onion and mince garlic for even flavor. Use about 1/3 chorizo to 2/3 eggs by volume for balance. Preheat skillet and cook aromatics first to sweeten them, then add chorizo to render its fat. Add eggs and stir gently, keeping some texture. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving with tortillas or toast. Quick recommendation: if you like reading while you eat, pick up the new Kindle Paperwhite. It feels light in hand and has a sharp display readable in bright and low light, great for breakfast between bites. I like its long battery life and waterproof design for kitchen spills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and please subscribe and like if this helped. Now let's get back to the video. Keep heat moderate to avoid rubbery eggs and burnt chorizo. Use a spatula to fold eggs into chorizo so you keep soft curds and bold flavor. If chorizo is very fatty, pour off excess but reserve a tablespoon for flavor. For spice control, remove some chorizo casing or buy mild chorizo. Serve immediately with warm tortillas, avocado slices, and hot sauce on the side for extra punch. Garnish with lime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.